Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start with immediate actions. Make sure your device has the latest iOS and you are signed into your Apple ID, then open Wallet. Have the new credit card, CVV, and billing address ready because you'll need to enter or scan them now. Tap the plus in Wallet, choose Add Card, and pick credit or debit. Once done, choose to scan the card camera or enter details manually. This speeds setup and prevents mistakes as you move to verification. After entering card details, accept the card issuer's terms and initiate verification. Most banks send a code by SMS, push notification to your banking app, or require a short call. Enter the verification code into Wallet when prompted. This confirms authority and activates the card for Apple Pay. Once verified, you can mark it as your default card in Wallet settings and reorder cards for quick access. Make sure to keep the bank app notified. Finish by removing any old card you no longer use. Select it in Wallet and tap Remove Card to avoid confusion at checkout. Test the new card with a small contactless purchase or a device-to-device payment to confirm it's active. If the card won't verify or pay, restart your device, confirm your region and Apple ID settings, and ensure your bank supports Apple Pay. Contacting the bank for authorization or reissuing verification typically resolves most problems quickly. That one fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.